Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Coverstar. But before we get into that, I'm just going to address something that you guys have been messaging me about. And since I can't review every product that you guys send me, I created a guide that teaches you how to do this research yourself. So you can check the description down below for the link, and I'll see you then. So with that out of the way, let's review Coverstar. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically just like TikTok, a TikTok alternative. It's basically like for kids, since as you know already, TikTok has some inappropriate videos not suited for younger audiences. So as you can see, it's rated 4.4 out of 5 stars here on Google Play with 3.3k reviews and 100k plus downloads. And also here on Apple Play or an Apple App Store, it is also number 69 in the social networking department with 4.7 out of 5 stars with 68k reviews. And as you can see, there are also a lot of positive reviews about this, 5 stars across the board. And as you can see also here on Reddit, what do you guys think of Coverstar? So this person said it is okay in my opinion. It's a good app for kids. So it is her little sister of 8 to 12 years old has it and she really likes it. And yeah, that is basically it. So Coverstar is a pretty good app for kids. And if you want to let your kids enjoy the TikTok without the inappropriate videos, I suggest using Coverstar. And that's basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.